Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter real numbers, in that rationalizing the denominator topic. Okay. Now see how to rationalize the denominator of a particular rational numbers. Let us consider one example here. Rationalize the denominator of 1 by 4 plus root 5. What is the question, Nana? Rationalize the denominator of 1 by 4 plus root 5. Now see its solution. The given number is what, Nana? That is 1 by 4 plus root 5. Now you should multiply the numerator and denominator of the particular part with 4 minus root 5 by 4 minus root 5. Is it clear? Especially you just see the denominator of the part here. 4 plus root 5 means then you can multiply the numerator and the denominator with the 4 minus root 5 into 4 minus root 5. So their product 1 into 4 minus root 5, 1 into something is always something only. 4 minus root 5. By you just observe the down part. This is in the form of a plus b. Here a means that is 4, b means that is root 5. A plus b into a minus b. A means 4 and b means 5. A plus b into a minus b, that is equals to a square minus b square. Yes, this is one of the identity. By using this identity, 4 plus root 5 into 4 minus root 5, we can write it as a square means that is 4 square minus b square means that is root 5 whole square. Clearly square or root cancel. We get that is 4 minus root 5 by here 4 square means that is 16 minus here square root cancel means that is 5. So clearly we get that is 4 minus root 5 by 16 minus 5 means what? 11. So this is the required answer for the question. So like this we can rationalize the denominator. Okay. Let us see some more problems in this model. Okay. Now see one more question based on this model. If question number 2, if x is equals to 7 plus 4 root 3, then find the value of x plus 1 by x. Okay, now this is the question. If x is equals to 7 plus 4 root 3, then find the value of x plus 1 by x. Now see its solution, Anna. Already we know the value of x, that is already given. Yes, given x is equals to 7 plus 4 root 3. Now I want the 1 by x value. So that's why 1 by x is equals to 1 means I am writing 1 only. X means what is the given value? That is 7 plus 4 root 3. Is it clear? 1 means 1. X means that is given 7 plus 4 root 3. Now I am going to just rationalize the denominator. I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator with 7 minus 4 root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3. You just see here 7 plus 4 root 3 means denominator lo rationalizing the denominator we can multiply the numerator and denominator with ikkada plus unte minus 7 minus 4 root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3. Then you see Nana what happened, 1 into something, 1 into 7 minus 4 root 3, that is 7 minus 4 root 3 only. You just observe the down part, it is in the form of a plus b and it is in the form of a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, that is equals to a square minus b square. Now we can write it as din ela rayachu, 7 whole square minus 4 root 3 whole square. 7 whole square minus 4 root 3 whole square, a square minus b square. Now you just observe what I am doing here. 7 minus 4 root 3 means I am writing that is 7 minus 4 root 3 only by 7 whole square means that is 49. 7 whole square means what? 7 7s are 49 minus, you just see this part, 4 root 3 whole square means what? The square is for 4 and as well as root 3 also. Individual ga cheste that is 4 square into root 3 whole square. Is it clear Nana? 4 root 3 whole square ela rayachu individual ga 4 square into root 3 whole square. Now 4 square means that is 16. Square root symbol cancel means that is what? 3. 16 into 3. 16 3s are what Nana? 48. 16 3s are 48. So clearly you can write it as 4 root 3 whole square means 48. So we get here 7 minus 4 root 3. 7 minus 4 root 3 by 49 minus 1 means that is 1 only. So 7 minus 4 root 3 by 1 and that is 7 minus 4 root 3 only. So clearly we get 1 by x is equals to 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay. Now coming to the point, what we want the value, that is x plus 1 by x is equals to what? Yes, x means given 7 plus 4 root 3 plus 1 by x means what we get, that is 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay na? Now clearly plus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 cancel, plus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 cancel, 7 plus 7, 7 plus 7 what? 14. So x plus 1 by x is equals to that is 14. Okay na? So this is the required answer for this question. Now see one more example in this model. Rationalize the denominator of next third question in this model. Rationalize the denominator of 3 root 5 minus root 7. 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. What is the question now? Rationalize the denominator. Okay now, of 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. Now see its solution. Given what? that is 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. What I am doing this one, first of all the rationalize the denominator. ఇక్కడ యాజువల్గా సేమ్ రాసేయండి. 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. The rationalize the denominator. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి denominator ప్లేస్లో ఇక్కడ see 3 root 3 plus root 2 is there. That's why what I am doing, rationalizing factor of this one, 3 root 3 minus root 2. అంటే we should multiply the numerator and denominator with 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3 root 3 minus root 2. Is it clear? Now you just observe this one. ఇది observe చేయండి, which is in the form of we can multiply the numerator into numerator and the denominator into denominator. Clearly denominator which is in the form of ఏ ఫామ్లో ఉంది, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, that is equals to a square minus b square. So you can write the denominator form as usually 3 root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. But you just observe the numerator, you can multiply this one. దీన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు, 3 root 5 minus root 7 into 3 root 3 minus root 2. Okay students, you can write it as 3 root 5 minus root 7 into 3 root 3 minus root 2. సో ఇండివిజువల్గా మల్టిప్లై చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ జస్ట్ మల్టిప్లై ఇట్. What is the part we get here? 3 root 5 minus root 7 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 by, here we get 3 root 3 whole square means ఇక్కడ ఇండివిజువల్గా చూడండి, 3 root 3 whole square ఇండివిజువల్గా అప్లై చేస్తే దట్ ఈస్ 3 square root 3 whole square. 3 square means that is 9, square root cancel means that is 3. 9 3s are what, nana? 27. So 3 root 3 whole square means we get 27. Here square root cancel means we get that is 3. Now observe the numerator part. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న numerator part ని observe చేయండి. You just multiply with 3 root 5, complete this expression. Okay na, ikkada 3 root 5 toti complete ee bracket lo unna part ni multiply cheyandi. Ikkada the order of the sum is same, ikkada order of the sum is 2, here order of the sum is 2. Okay na, that's why we can multiply it. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, root 5 into root 3 that is equals to root 15. Okay na students, 3 3s are 9, root 5 into root 3 that is equals to root 15 minus 3 root 5 into root 2. You can write that is 3 root 5 into root 2 that is root 10. And coming to the next one here, minus root 7 into 3 root 3. So that is minus 3 root 7 into root 3 means that is root 21. Next, minus root 7 into minus root 2. Minus of minus that is plus. Root 7 into root 2 that is equals to that is root 14. By here 27 minus 3 means that is 24. So this is the required answer. Okay na? Like this we can rationalize the denominator of the following. Okay na students?